estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm really excited to share with you a rare find, a condominium, all one floor, no steps, nice 2-car garage, 2 full bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, a cathedral ceiling, great room, open to the dinette with a breakfast bar, solid surface. And it's a wonderful property. It's tucked in. Let me give you the address. So if you're wanting to check it out with GPS, it's 4123 Tannybrooke Lane Northwest, Unit B, Canton, Ohio, 44718. It's off of Whipple. It's fabulous property. Let me show it to you right now. So let's take a look. So when you come in the front door, let's take a look outside. So this is a patio. So you pull in the driveway, walk down the sidewalk, and sure enough, here's a nice patio with some snow. We're getting more snow out there. But a great area to entertain 3 seasons of the year. Quiet, tucked away. If you notice, let me just show you here real quick. You see in the back all the woods. If around the whole perimeter, that's how it's set up. It's really nice. So when you come in, you got a foyer. It's tile. And then you come into the great room. So you can see the ceiling has a little bit of dimension there to it. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of natural light, even though it's a gray day in Ohio. Nice treatments on the windows. Now this is a switch operated fireplace. Let me get you close so you can see it. So the fireplace puts off some nice heat. Of course, here's the switch. I'm going to shut it off. So very convenient. So then you look into the dining area. So this is all great room. And then there's 2 stools here that it's like a little breakfast bar with extra storage underneath. See the cabinets. But the countertops are a solid surface, like a Corian product. It's kind of like a taupey color, you could tell, with a little fleck in it. This is the Galley kitchen. Plenty of storage. The cabinets were painted white. They look cute and up to date. What I like is the way the sink is set up. So if you have a little water or crumbs, you can just sweep it right in with no ledge. You got a reverse osmosis water system. Now you do have city utilities here. You have a disposal, a dishwasher, range, microwave, fridge. Over here, you have like a little, kind of like a laundry nook with some cabinets and some shelving. So that's in here. And then over here, you got a updated water softener, water heater. And then here's the water softener here, okay? So you have, what's kind of nice about this plan, I'm gonna take you out here while we're over here. This is the 2-car garage. So over here, you have a little ramp. Let me just show you. So if you're going into the unit, it's just a gradual taper. So if you had a wheelchair or some kind of a device, you could easily get in. This would be the breaker box right here. You also have a slop sink out here with hot and cold water. The garage door is insulated. And then you notice the stairwell. So that's where the furnace is up there, and there's light storage. Now the filter to the furnace is down here, so of course you would be able to clean and access it, which is nice because you don't have to go up the steps. Actually, you have no steps for anything. So this is being sold as is, great property. All the main things are good, just some cosmetics, maybe some carpeting or so forth. This would be your front closet. Here's the main bath. You have a pedestal sink, some extra storage, and of course here's a 3-foot shower, which is nice because then you also have a tub in the other bathroom. So right here is where I was telling you about the filter for the furnace. It just latches and pivots and you just replace it there, so you don't even have to go upstairs. The master bedroom here, it's like 14 by 15, natural light coming in. Of course, you got cable hookups. The bathroom has a tub. So let's take a peek. So the vanity is cultured marble, decent size. And then you have a tub shower combo here. or a shower. And then, of course, the linen closet is right here. So you got plenty of storage. And then what I like about this plan, it has really a nice closet. So this would be your master closet. Let's take a peek in here. So you can see it's like a little mini room. So you can organize it however you'd like. And then you have your second bedroom, your guest room, which is right here. So you have a decent sized room here, natural light coming in, and of course a good sized closet. So let's go back out and take a look at this great room again. So this is perfect. Convenient. Outside you have a cluster box covered with when they do local things. It shows what activities are happening. So I'd like to say this is truly a fabulous find. And if you're interested, just call me. My name's Dominic Fonte at 330-418-1535. If you want to see more details, feel free to give me an email if you'd like. You could send me an email at dominic@dominicfonte.com or go to dominicfonte.com for the website. So Dominic@DominicFonte, send me an email. Call me at 418-1535. Or if you want to see this tour and more details about it, just go to my website, dominicfonte.com. Thanks for tuning in.